Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel DigiSite, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to post something on Pinterest. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch Pinterest app on your mobile device. Now once you come to Pinterest application, you'll see the option of create with a plus sign at the bottom. Tap on it. Now over here you can see various options. You can select any of it. I'm going to select the option of pin. With that, your gallery will be opened. Now choose any photo you wish to upload. So for instance, as I chose this photo, I'm going to tap on next. Now you can add certain description, titles, add links to your photo. So I added this title. Now let me add a short description as well. Here we go. If you wish to, you can add certain links to any website if you have. You can also pick a board or create a new board for this photo. Now let's go back. You can also tag related topics. For instance, let's search for a keyword. So you can choose any of it and tap on done. You can choose any of these keywords that are relatable. Now after doing all these steps, tap on create. Let's wait for some time. Now simply tap on the option of saved at the bottom right. Now once you come here, you'll see the option of created by you. Now all you have to do is tap on the option of created by you. Now over here you can see this post that you had uploaded. So that's how simply you can post something on Pinterest. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.